Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by turning guided access on so the iPhone enforces app limits. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Guided Access. Once there, toggle it on and set a secure passcode or enable Face ID for quick exit. Make sure to add guided access to the accessibility shortcut so you can activate it from the lock screen or side button. This saves time when you need it fast. Doing this first avoids interruptions and ensures control over which features are available in the app. With guided access enabled, open the app you want to lock the device to. This is where you control interaction. Once in the app, triple-click the side button or use the accessibility shortcut to start guided access. Draw circles around UI elements to disable touch, tap options to toggle hardware buttons, motion, keyboards, or time limits. You can set a session timer or allow only certain controls. These choices determine what the user can do and prevent accidental exits To finish guided access, triple-click the side button and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode, then tap End. If you can't exit because the side button is disabled or the screen is unresponsive, force restart the iPhone 16 to reset the session. Hold side and volume up/down per Apple restart steps. Once restarted, check guided access options in settings to adjust disabled controls or timers, making sure your accessibility shortcut and passcode are correctly configured to avoid repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.